just changed dropshipping forever because for the first time, you can actually run an entire business through one AI. Product research, store building, ad creation, all of it. I've been running all my stores through this to test it out. And honestly, the results kind of surprised me.
Yeah, the results that came back on this is Rob from MakeMoneyAudit.com. The results were a D. Avoid. I'm about to show you what happened. I'm going to show you the math and what he doesn't add up. Okay, so we've got how did AI change my dropshipping forever? AI automated dropshipping business scored a D. Run away from this one. The video pitches dropshipping as a business model now fully automated by AI, especially Claude. Yeah, Claude. I love Claude. I use Claude. Handling the products, store building, ad creation, customer service, ad fulfillment. It claims that drastically reduces startup cost from 10K to 1.2K to find a winner. Promise potential revenue 50 to 100,000 a month, minimal human effort. I'm gonna have to call super BS on that one. Okay, Claude, just so you know, Claude can build Shopify stores. If you don't know that already, it can do that. So, okay, so let's take a look at here. Time to ROI analysis, 6 to 12 months. While AI speeds up the initial setup, finding a winning product, optimizing ads, and building brand trust, and achieving constant profitability is a competitive market, still takes significant time and iteration. The claim, three tests in 3 weeks leading to winner, highly optimistic. Again, reason why he did so well, 653,000 subscribers. No shit, you're going to do good. Okay, so market saturation. Dropshipping is high. I mean, I did it for a while. I just stopped doing it. Simply, I don't know. I stopped. For one of the things, I was using Amazon, which is a no-no. So anyway, I won't go down that road. But anyways, dropshipping is already a highly saturated market. Introduction to AI tools while making it entry easier. Yeah, you can start it up. Either you can get Claude and even Shopify builds it for you. It's exaggerated competition. There is a ton of people doing it. I mean, a lot, leading to more identical stores and offers. And basically, if you copy somebody, you find a winning product, you go and copy it like this video does, and you can watch it. He finds a winning product, copies it, changes it around a little bit using Claude, and lists the same product for the same price. Or even if you undercut them, you're still going to be doing the same competitive market. So unless you have the $1 million thing, you're going to be fighting with everybody else. So the video significantly understates the cost. Yeah, no kidding. Again, while AI can reduce the developer copyright fees and core expenses like Shopify subscription, still $39 a month. You need a domain. Paid AI tools, Claude Pro at $20 a month. Other specialized AI tools, especially ad spend. There's where it gets you. You got to drive people to your store. That takes money. Well, obviously, when you have 653,000 subscribers, you can take and make money or pay for ads, and it's not a big deal. For everyday Joe Schmo, working a 9-to-5 job, dumping $500 a month or $1,000 a month to drive ads to your store, that's a big cost. Let's see what else we're looking at here. Yeah, realistic ad spend for 50K to 100K a month in revenue, 20K to 50K a month, not 300 to 400 per test. Profit margins in the drop shipping are notoriously thin, 10 to 20% if successful, meaning high revenue doesn't equal high profit. There's the key. You don't have that type of money to throw out there, you're not going to make the money he's claiming. And that's why this channel has been built. to call bullshit on the AI gurus like AC, what is his name? AC Hampton. Yeah, calling strict bullshit. Bullshit. So, individual, okay, so we already know the risk factor. Who should do this? Nobody, unless you got a lot of money to throw out there. So, you know, gonna call this one 100% guru bullshit. This guy has 600 plus thousand subscribers. He's making a crap load of money just off YouTube. He's also making money because he's trying to pitch you his program, which everybody else like me does. No kidding, no doubt. But this one, people, is bad. It is really bad. You cannot make money doing drop shipping. If anybody tells you otherwise, they're full of crap. I'm sure I'm going to come across more drop shipping videos using AI, and I'll make audits on them as well. And I'll basically probably get the same result. It's going to be a failure. So, you know, if you want to do your own audit, you want to do something I didn't see yet, go to makemoney.com, makemoneyaudit.com, put in the URL, get the copy of the transcript from the video, confirm you got the same video, and run the audit. It's going to tell you what the, no BS, straight up what it is. My 35 years of being a consultant in business is driven to the what you get. This is why I made the channel, to avoid you spending money, one, on buying his program if he has one, excuse me, and dumping the amount of money you're going to need to do right up front to try and make money doing dropshipping. It's just not feasible. So anyways, now that I've had my video and my little rant on that, you know, if you want to download this information, you can save it. You do the download PDF, you share it, or because if you hit this button and run another audit, this goes away. It doesn't save it. So that's why I recommend after you run your own audit, you do your own thing, download it, please, so you can save it. Then the email, you know, once I start sending out the newsletters, we'll be doing basically on other audits I've done and so forth. Okay. I appreciate your time, everybody. Like and subscribe. Have a good day.